It's summertime, y'all, and you need something to drink out there by the pool or at the beach, and this is going to be a really nice punch. It's a non-alcoholic punch, but if you wanted to add a little bit of your favorite liquor to it, you could. But this is really nice and straightforward and very refreshing, actually. So it's going to be pineapple juice, frozen raspberry concentrate, lemonade concentrate. Some cold water. And it's a club soda for the fizz. Love club soda. That's looking good already. And then there's one thing missing for some people, so. And a little garnish. How about some garnish? This is going to be actually to add a little flavor and texture. Some chunks of pineapple and some pieces of raspberry.
Bobby, would the triplets drink this?
I think they would. Yeah. This version is certainly for kids. You can have two. You can have one that's for kids and then one that's not for kids. That looks real good already. I love a good punch. I love a good punch. All right, here we go. Want a hot summer afternoon out by the pool, or you just cutting the grass, or whatever you got going on. Dum-dum. Nice little garnish here to make it look good. Feel like I'm already in the on the beach. Wow, look how nice that looks. How I don't have a straw, I don't know. That's okay. I'll just use my lips.
When I was little, my mom used to make a punch.
You're still a little.
But for birthday, and it was all the juices. Did your mom ever do that, Eddie? With the juices from like if you made pineapple at night or whatever, and she pears or whatever it was in the can, and then she'd freeze it all and do almost the exact type of thing.
That's crafty.
And it was that was a birthday treat.
Oh, okay. That's really good. We had Kool-Aid.
Eddie had Kool-Aid. Well, Eddie, there were how many of you?
A bunch. You know what else you could do with this? You could put it into ice trays and freeze it and make ice out of it.
That's a really good idea.
Put it in your club soda. Or in your vodka. I don't know.
Prosecco.
That is delicious. So, happy summer. There's a really simple summer punch that I've just showed you, and I think you're really going to like it. So, remember, wear sunscreen.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.